effective for learning, online or offline?
I personally prefer offline, but there are both pros and cons in both of the modes.
It's offline because here we get every Sunday test which we give in the offline mode, which is very similar to the NEET exam.
I find offline better because you have to be disciplined and you have to be motivated all the time, because it's a consistency is the key to crack the exam.
ऑफलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट. ऑनलाइन में जैसे दिक्कत रहती है, क्लास में डाउट्स वगैरह पूछने होते हैं, नेटवर्क इशू रहते हैं, तो ऑफलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट.
Personally, I'd go with offline institution or offline classes because like in online I tend to have a habit of like procrastinating stuff and वो सब. तो बेसिकली ऑफलाइन में क्या है कि टीचर्स तुम्हें शेड्यूल देंगे, तुम्हें उसे स्टिक रहना पड़ेगा.
A healthy competition is needed to crack NEET actually. So I get motivated when I see that other people are also studying, so I also start studying harder. So that is all.
Are there any challenges you face with online learning?
Yes.
If so, what are they?
Yes, I have faced many offline challenges in the online teaching mode.
हाँ, ऑनलाइन लर्निंग में मेनली नेटवर्क का इशू रहता ही था और डाउट्स वगैरह रह जाते थे क्लियर होने. दैट इज़ वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर नीट प्रिपरेशन. सो या ऑफलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट.
There we can't solve our problems with our teachers, so it's very hard to clear our doubts. But in offline, it's easy to solve the doubts with the teacher.
And whenever you have doubts, you can ask them personally at your own pace. You don't have to be shy, you don't have to message them and wait for their reply. You can just go there and ask them.
Yes, of course, because like I have tried online learning and it is very delicate to follow your own plan and go towards the schedule that they provide, because it is not very easy to follow everything at once, but it is very important that you follow each one of those steps to create a successful plan for your exam and try to ace it.
That's the biggest challenge, to like sit there and study for like 3 hours and no one is forcing you to study. So that's my biggest challenge in online coaching.
In offline, I find that we can personally interact with teacher. The face-to-face interaction is really good and it's efficient to study well. So after attending the lectures, there are DPP sessions. We are attending them and teachers are always there when we are studying at the library, and teachers are helping us with all the solutions. So that is really an effective way to study.
How would you describe your experience with offline in-person classes here at Dr. Anand Mani?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. यहाँ पे सब टीचर्स डाउट बहुत अच्छा बता रहे हैं और मॉड्यूल्स वगैरह भी जो इन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया उसमें क्वेश्चन मोर देन इनफ है, तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है एक्सपीरियंस.
Classes are really nice. The doubt solving is 24/7 as someone said. So like
It's very good because the batch is only of 100 students, so it's the teacher who always gives us personal attention to us, so it's very good here.
you can go to them whenever you have a doubt or like collect doubt and ask anytime in classes or in library time, or anytime you can ask doubts and they're immediately getting resolved.
And what are the key benefits that you have noticed in your own preparation with offline classes?
Well, in the benefits I noticed is what I said before, that like my doubts are solved within 30 minutes mostly.
The question practice is really very much so like if लाइब्रेरी में बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं तो तुम भी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाओगे कि तुम्हें भी पढ़ना ही है, वरना तुम्हें गिल्ट ट्रिप हो जाएगा कि सब बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा, उनका सिलेक्शन होगा मेरा नहीं होगा.
The key benefits is only this: you get personal mentorship of teacher, one-to-one interaction with the teacher, so it's very helpful.
In offline classes, the best benefit is that you get to interact with teacher face to face, and the mock test especially, like when you are attending online, it's your will whether you want to give a test or you want to revise, but here you have to give mock test. Like on Sunday you have a test, you have to give it, and the best thing is that your nervousness, the nervousness that you feel before giving an exam, that goes away after giving so many tests. So that is the best thing.
यहाँ पे जैसे ये है कि इधर कोचिंग में कि पर्सनल गाइडेंस मिल रही है जो बाकी कोचिंग्स में नहीं मिलती है. दैट वाज मतलब मेजर बेनिफिट जो मुझे लगा.
And what would you suggest your peer aspirants? What is the best option for them, online classes or offline classes?
पर्सनली अगर तुम मेरे जैसे प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटर हो, अगर तुम ऑनलाइन पढ़ने में इतना बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा तो तुम ऑफलाइन इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ जा सकते हो, वो तुम्हारे लिए बेटर है.
It's only offline class and it should be not more than 100 students. So it's better that you should join Dr. Anand Mani Residential School for offline. It's the best.
Actually, it depends on many factors. Like first of all, the budget. We can't deny that not everyone has that opportunity to attend offline classes. So yeah, if you are low on budget, definitely go for online classes if you can afford it.
ऑफलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट क्योंकि इसमें हमारे सब डाउट्स वगैरह क्लियर होंगे, टीचर के साथ इंटरेक्शन बनेगी.
Well, if you are going towards offline classes, I would highly recommend that. But if you are going towards online classes, you should have to have a great sense of responsibility and will when it comes to following the plans that the teacher make for you.
If you can afford offline, I will personally suggest that offline classes are the best because
And tend to have a responsible friend who is gonna guide you through it and try to take notes from them that what you are doing wrong and try to contact those teachers that what problems you are doing and how you can face it. Because in offline it is very to contact to teachers, but in online it is relatively harder, but it is way easier to connect.
you get the environment, you have a proper schedule, you have to follow the timetable, and you are under supervision, so you have to do the things that you are supposed to do. You don't have time to procrastinate and other things.